Hi, I have a new ceiling fan here at Chestertown Electric. It's not the Emerson or the R&M or the GE or the Hunter or the other Westinghouse, but it's a new Westinghouse, new for me. It's a Westinghouse Sidewinder. It's kind of famous, very nice design. And you can see the blades bolt onto the outside of the motor, and you can see that the outside of the motor rotates when the fan runs. So it's a very nice design. And you can see the bottom cover is pretty ornate. Nice little fan. So here it's starting up on high. It's a very torquey, heavy fan. Puts off a lot of wind. I had two of these earlier that I restored with a copper oxide finish and sold them to folks. And I kind of missed them. I'll put it down at the low. So it's nice to get one of these back. Anyway, there it is, a Westinghouse Sidewinder. It's from the early part of the 1900s. Actually, you can date these things a little bit by the name that's on the motor tag. Oh, there you go. See, Pittsburgh has an H on the end of it. So that makes it newer than the fans that say Pittsburgh without an H. And also, I believe they started making these fans in New Jersey after they moved the factory. But this is a very prolific fan. They're not super rare because they don't break very often. So people like them, and they've kept them around for 100 years. So there you go, Westy Sidewinder. Thank you.